We are here in a 2014 to 2018 Toyota Avalon. I'm going to show you in this video how to pair and set up CarPlay and the audio. We just installed the system from Hamilton, the Hamilton upgrade kit in this car. We're going to go ahead and open up settings on your iPhone, Bluetooth, and then look for the new device that starts with Hamilton. Click on it. When a pairing code pops up, click pair. Click allow to favorites and contacts. And if you get a prompt that says use CarPlay, click use CarPlay. To switch into the Hamilton system from the factory system, we're going to either long hold that voice speech button or simply wait for CarPlay to pair and it will come up automatically. We're not done yet. I'll tell you a little bit about how the pairing works. First of all, at any time, long holding the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds will switch between the original system and the new Hamilton system. In the original system, you can change the audio mode. For example, you can listen to your satellite radio while CarPlay is showing. It's really important if you want to play audio through CarPlay, the original system needs to be in aux mode. We'll set it to aux mode and come back to CarPlay. You can easily change the audio mode at any time by pushing the mode button repeatedly on the steering wheel. When you're in aux mode, you'll be able to use any music app or navigation to play audio through all your speakers. I'll tell you one thing to note. On your phone, when you pull out Bluetooth and you pair CarPlay, CarPlay initiates with a Bluetooth connection and then it switches over to a proprietary Apple Wi-Fi connection similar to AirDrop. You see how my Wi-Fi has turned white and clicking on it would prompt me to disconnect CarPlay? That's how you'll disconnect CarPlay if you'd want to. You'd click right there to disconnect it. If you see Bluetooth starts out as paired to Hamilton and then goes unconnected, don't worry about it. That's how it's supposed to work. CarPlay initializes with Bluetooth and then switches over to that proprietary connection. If you have any questions, check out our website, 919-858-2890. We'll have a video with a full features overview of this system. You can also call us at 919-858-2890. Pushing this Hamilton button will take you back to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Click on Bluetooth and see the paired Bluetooth devices. Generally, you will not need to change any of these settings here. This is for CarPlay, this is for Android Auto. This system works fully with your original wheel to scroll. And of course, it's also touchscreen. Once again, I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We appreciate your business.